What's swinging, gang? I was just minding my business, watching TV, and the mailman pulled up. And guess what he brought me? There it is, gang. The aerodynamics kit for the X6M has finally came in. Finally. It took literally over 3 months for this to come from Russia. 3 months. I put up a 2, I meant to put up a 3. 3 months for this to come in, gang. I'm gonna fully unbox this thing on camera with you guys, so stay tuned. But before we do that, I wanna also show you guys what came in. And I waited about 2 months for this to come in, and it's the best part of the truck so far. And I know you guys can see it already. The upper window spoiler. That is gorgeous, gang. Check that out. That is gorgeous. I mean, it makes this truck look so much more menacing. And it's kind of like a, you know, it has the same DTM style as the spoiler on the rear. As you can see, it's cut through right in the middle. And it has that same cut through down on there, so it like the wind just comes straight down through and catches on each side. I mean, guys, that's gorgeous. This thing looks literally like a spaceship out of a science fiction movie or something. Like how high kick that wing is. Like, look how high kick that is. And then with that back window spoiler on there, guys, it's gorgeous. And they come painted gloss black. It's about 15,000 rubles, I think, which comes out to about 200 and something odd US dollars. You know, so I think I paid around $300 to get that shipped here from Russia, guys, but it makes so much difference on this car because you know the F86 does not come with an upper window spoiler from the factory nowhere. Nobody makes one. This is the only company that makes this spoiler for this car. And if you buy the 2020, it comes with that spoiler on there already, guys, that upper window spoiler. But let's get back in here and unbox these parts and let's see how good they look. So we can make this baby look even more menacing so the looks can match the horsepower. Alright, gang, we finna get this unboxed. I was gonna do it out on the front lawn, but it's way too hot outside. So I'm gonna use this little space right here in my living room, but everything seems to be in this one box, guys, and it's very long, so let's get it open and see what we got here. The box is kind of beat up too, so I hope everything is good because I mean this box is beat to hell. But for 3 months and shipping, I'm surprised it don't look worse than this. Oh man, it looks like it's packaged very good though. So let me get this piece out. Sheesh. It's stuck in there, gang. Hold on a minute. Seems like they have everything wrapped together in one piece. Alright, I got that out. Let me see if anything else in there. And that's it. Yeah, this box is pretty much empty, so I'm gonna move this out the way. Alright, now let's get the meat and potatoes of the thing open. You can see the tape on it says Persian. I ordered it from Persian online on their eBay store. I'm gonna put a link for where exactly I bought this kit from, guys. And they just don't sell kits for the X6M, X5M. They sell kits for other BMWs too, guys. So if you don't have an X6M, X5M, it doesn't matter. I bought the kit for my 650 from them also a few years ago. So let's get this tape off so we can see what we got here. I'm excited as hell, I ain't even gonna lie to you. here. Alright, that's the front splitter there, guys. And as you can see, it comes up on the edge and wraps on the front bumper. I'm gonna time lapse the rest of the stuff and show you everything when it's out of the package. And here it is, gang. I managed to get everything out of all of that wrapping they had, and they wrap it really tight, gang. So you gotta make sure that you don't cut into these parts when you're getting it out of the package, because they come already nicely sanded and primed and about ready to go. So the only thing you should have to do is scuff them down, shoot them in the color you want, and get them put on. But I'm gonna give you guys a walkthrough. These two pieces here are the rockers or side skirts. You know, they set about this far out. When you follow that line, that much of the side skirt is outside the car. So that's what you're gonna see, gang. And you can see that they have mounting holes already in, and these little cuts, indents there up front and down here is what sit around the little jack points, the little blocks in the bottom of the car. And as you can see, everything is countersunk also. So when you put your fasteners in, you know, you won't be able to see them hanging from the bottom of the kit. So I really love the quality these guys put in their kits. You know, I usually use whatever factory fastener fits in that hole, and for the extra holes, I get it riveted, guys. You know, use metal rivets for the right size rivets for those holes, and it holds, I mean, almost permanently. You know, you gotta drill the rivets out to get it off, guys. And this here is the front splitter. And the thing I like about this front splitter is it actually comes up on the sides of the front bumper. So it's extremely aggressively styled. And you can see that the middle portion here is raised, so it gives it that deep vent look. So what actually does vent on both sides, it vents air through here and it channels air through the other side, guys. And this here is the rear diffuser. This is just one piece. It comes in a 3-piece. These pieces here also connect to the side. I'm gonna show you how these connect. Make sure I'm doing this right here. They don't connect to the side of the rear diffuser, but they connect to the side of the car. So it's something like that. But it kind of looks funny being just out here on the ground like this. But I'm gonna show you a picture of all of these parts actually on the car, so you can see exactly what it looks like. So I'm gonna pick those pictures up right now. Alright, with the rear diffuser, you do have to remove the factory rear diffuser, and it sits down here and it goes over the pipes. That little piece I showed you, it connects right here on the rear quarter on both sides. So it's gonna sit here on the rear quarter. You guys know the side skirt fills this side here on the car all the way down, and the thing I told you I like about that front splitter is it comes all the way up here on the side of the front bumper. Goes all the way around the front bumper. And then comes back on this side right here. So you guys, I can't wait to get this Aero kit on. It's gonna look beautiful on this car. You know, you guys gonna be the first one to see it. I'm gonna paint it in a gloss black so it matches the wing up here and it matches the rest of the trim, because the entire car looks gloss black, but when it's out in the sun, that sapphire black metallic really comes through, and it's like a charcoal gray color. It has like a gray metallic, so it really contrasts. It kind of looks like the carbon fiber wing on here. So it's gonna be beautiful when you guys see it. And I'm gonna get that liquid wrapped instead of painted. I'm gonna get it liquid wrapped with gloss black so it has the rock chip protection also, since that's gonna be the lowest thing to the bottom of the car, or the lowest thing on the bottom of the car. And I'm also gonna run with the SLIPLOW front splitter protection for any low-end high-rise garages, speed bumps and stuff like that. It'll protect my front splitter. So I'm definitely gonna leave a link for this kit and the SLIPLOW kit down in the description, guys. But this is gonna be the end of this video. You know, I hope you guys enjoy the content. You know, if you do, consider subscribing, liking, sharing the content. And thank you guys very much. Auto Lust out.